Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open up your TikTok app on your mobile device on mute. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. All right, guys, the first thing you need to do is open up TikTok. And as you can see, TikTok opens up with sound turned on. So to disable sound being on, what you need to do is click onto your profile, bottom right-hand corner of your screen here. And then you want to click on the three horizontal bars, which is located top right hand corner. And then you want to click onto settings and privacy. And now what you want to do is scroll down and find playback. And here it is here under content display, playback. So go ahead and click into playback. And now you've got an option here to say open TikTok on mute. Videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device's volume controls. So if you go ahead and enable this setting here, next time you go and open up TikTok, it will be placed on mute. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.